Welcome back to Verdict on Ayodhya. Before we broke, Swami Agnivesh, who's no longer with us, he just went here to go to another channel, but he left us with a very important idea and proposition that if the Muslim community was assured that this was the last time there would be a conflict over a mosque and a masjid, it could be willing, and he quoted Saeed Shabuddin telling him this, it would be willing to, in a gesture of magnanimity, give up its claim to the Ram Janmabhoomi site. Prakash Sharma, you refuse to accept that. You say not only do you believe that there is a problem in Ram Janmabhoomi in Ayodhya, that you believe there is a problem in Mathura, you believe there is a problem in Kashi, and in fact there are lakhs of places like this where mosques have been built over temples. Doesn't this position in fact...
ऐतिहासिक सत्य है, मैं कह रहा हूं ऐसा नहीं है। मोहम्मद बिन कासिम से लेकर औरंगजेब तक लाखों मंदिर तोड़े गए हैं, ये सत्य है, इसमें कोई असत्य बात नहीं है। संतों ने 1983 में जब निर्णय लिया तो सिर्फ 3 स्थान की बात की, और वो भी 3 स्थान क्यों? एक जगह भगवान राम का जन्म हुआ, राम का प्राकट्य स्थल, दूसरा भगवान कृष्ण का प्राकट्य स्थल, और तीसरा भगवान शंकर का प्राकट्य स्थल। इसके अलावा कोई चौथे की बात
कभी की हो तो you insist that there must be 3 spots where mosques are replaced by temples.
इन 3 के बारे में देखिए, हम जो भी करते हैं
संतों के निर्देश पर करते हैं। We've just joined from Hyderabad by Jyotirmay Sharma, political analyst. Jyotirmay, you've heard the conversation. The Muslim community seems to feel it could make a gesture that would have great meaning in India by giving up claims in Ayodhya. But the VHP and many fringe elements insist that that's not enough, that they also have a right to claim mosques and Muslim land in Mathura and in Kashi. What's your view and response to that?
I don't trust the VHP, I don't trust the BJP, I don't trust the RSS, and anybody who trusts them would be making a mistake of their lifetime and would be in cloud cuckoo land.
Okay, you heard that. Is that really where we are today? I mean, that there is absolutely no trust. When L.K. Advani said that December 6, 1992 was the saddest day of his life, Sadia, did you believe him?
No.
You didn't believe him. When the Muslims say that they're willing to make a gesture of goodwill, Mr. Sharma, you don't seem to believe them. Now, Mr. Kapai, at every stage, if nobody believes the other, at every stage, if there are such deep-rooted suspicions...
I think
go ahead.
No, Jahangir, the question is that we have all reduced this problem to either a religious problem or an emotive problem where people need to trust each other and so on and so forth. After all, these are medieval problems, problems which are mythical and medieval, being ironically and absurdly being sorted out in a modern liberal democratic framework. I mean, it's the greatest absurdity. It is a political problem and it must be sorted out politically. And it's there that the Indian state has for a long time, from the 90s onwards, abdicated its responsibility. And it's also been hemmed in performing its duties by absurd judgments that have come from all sorts of courts, including the 1994 judgment of the Supreme Court.
Okay, let's stop here. Let's go to Prakash Sharma. Let's turn this on you. The point is that Jyotirmay Sharma is saying he doesn't trust the VHP, doesn't trust the BJP, doesn't trust the RSS. You don't trust
उनके ट्रस्ट की हमको जरूरत नहीं है।
जरूरत तो है, because without the trust, why would anyone make a gesture of magnanimity to you?
मैंने आपको 2 लाइन में बताया था ना कि कुल्हाड़ी के इसी प्रकार के हत्थों के कारण हिंदू समाज को आज इतना भोगना पड़ रहा है। उनके ट्रस्ट की हमें जरूरत नहीं है। जो ट्रस्ट करते हैं वो ट्रस्ट करते हैं और आगे भी करते रहेंगे। अगर हमें ट्रस्ट हमको ट्रस्ट नहीं होता तो आज ये मामला यहां तक कैसे पहुंचा होता? आज हम किसी समाधान तक तो पहुंच रहे हैं, वो इसी कारण है कि समाज हमारे पीछे खड़ा है।
I would like to intervene here.
प्रकाश जी, आप
नहीं, मैं बात करूंगा. It is the mindset of a person like Jyotirmay Sharma.
प्रकाश जी जो हैं,
उनकी बात सुन लीजिए.
प्रकाश जी जो हैं,
मैं कह रहा हूं कि it's the mindset of people like Jyotirmay Sharma. I have read some of his articles also, which will make it extremely difficult for the saner persons to arrive at any solution. He is the kind of a fringe element I was talking about, whose the whole intellectual setup is such that there should not be any solution. Hindus must be called names, various kinds of names, etc. It is this kind of a mindset which is, for example, I know that there was one intellectual who was suggesting
Okay.
that in the Ram
Jyotirmay,
Janam,
what is being said here is that by you completely dismissing the BJP and the RSS,
sir, let me
you
complete.
are yourselves acting like a fringe element and going to an extreme position and taking an extreme stance.
I want to say there was one intellectual.
Let him respond to the point
Sir,
you made. No?
there's one point. There was one intellectual who
Well,
stated,
I mean,
who stated that in the Ram Janambhoomi a public toilet should be made.
Okay.
Now you see, if this kind of a
Okay.
suggestion is made,
Okay.
then do you think
क्या है,
this is-
इनको
this is
अगर
ridiculous
हमारा कोई
absolutely.
महत्व नहीं होता तो
Ridiculous.
आज हम जो लाइमलाइट में है,
Okay.
संगठन
Let's
लाइमलाइट में
not
कैसे
take
आते
some of the more absurd things. You have made a point against Jyotirmay. Let him respond to it.
You see, first of all, the BJP, the RSS, the VHP lives under this fabulous illusion that they represent the Hindus of this country. If they represented the Hindus of this country, they should have been in power. They shouldn't have lost elections as miserably as they have. They shouldn't have been a party ridiculously divided as it is now, searching for a stable
BJP is not a
leadership.
political party. What are you talking?
I mean, if the
BJP
gentleman
is
who
not a
said
political
that,
party.
it's not,
And Ram
in-
Janmabhoomi is not a political issue. हर दल ने
What is it?
राम
What is it?
जन्मभूमि के मुद्दे का राजनीतिक उपयोग करने का
Well,
प्रयत्न
it is-
किया है। किसी को लगा समर्थन में खड़े हो, वो समर्थन में खड़ा हो गया। किसी को लगा राम जन्मभूमि के लिए जाने वाले कारसेवकों को गोली चलाओ, उसने गोली चलाकर लाभ उठाना चाहा। कांग्रेस को लगा कि गोली चलाने वाला का सहयोग करो, उन्होंने गोली चलाने वाले का सहयोग किया। इसमें पॉलिटिकल, और हमने भी स्पष्ट किया इस बार संतों ने कि इसको हम राजनीति का इशू नहीं, वोट का विषय नहीं है।
Okay.
यह भारत की अस्मिता का विषय है, राम का
Okay,
मंदिर बनना चाहिए।
we're almost out of time. Jyotirmay, do you want to make a last response to that?
वो तो वो all these pious protestations about it being a religious issue, let 2013 come, let the elections draw near,
कहाँ election है?
and all
This
these
people is
people will
absolutely-
कहाँ
stand
elections है?
exposed as to what their
कोर्ट के
intentions
verdict
are
के लिए क्या election
and,
थे?
and
इसने
what their
कोर्ट ने
strategy
verdict
is.
दिया।
Okay, Jyotirmay, just this morning, Mahesh Jethmalani from the BJP said
2013 की
he's-
बात कर रहा हूँ, आप
मैं कह रहा हूँ 2013 अभी बहुत दूर है
2013 की बात
श्रीमान
कर रहा
जी,
हूं मैं।
2013 अभी बहुत दूर है, कोई इलेक्शन सामने नहीं है। आपके दिमाग में इलेक्शन और पॉलिटिक्स घुसी हुई है।
And Jyotirmay, to be fair, this morning Mahesh Jethmalani from the BJP said that the
आपको अभी
BJP
से
would
आपकी
not make this a political issue in the coming Bihar elections.
आप तो तब आपकी
I mean, there are certain secularists who, sort of the
No,
most
Ram
rabid
Jethmalani
communalism
is a sort
is
of
being projected
decent
as
guy in
secularism.
the
And
BJP.
Jyotirmay Sharma is a representative
he's
of
a
that.
civil, decent guy in the BJP.
Okay.
Okay. Well, let's it's time to end the show. We're completely out of time. We spent 1 hour and it's just flown by. And what we're seeing is basically there are still very extreme views on this. Now, while Hindus and Muslims may fight and argue about this, I'd like to draw attention to another holy man from another faith, Gautama Buddha. He showed us the path, the middle path, the path of balance that often leads us to enlightenment. That's something maybe India should keep in mind tonight as we go to bed. Good night.